everyone, welcome to this small chat number 16. In this small chat I wanted to do something purely musical, to break down this arrangement of mine of this Hu Elokeinu tune, and talking about arrangements, you can face arrangement in different manners, different styles. You can enrich the harmonic using chromatic chords, and you can do it polyphonic as I did here. You can do canons, fugues, etc. You can do solo and accompaniment arrangement. And in this special arrangement, as you could hear, I put as a goal using only the material, the motives, the melodies of the tune itself to accompany itself. It's like with its counterpoint within itself. So I break it down. The tune has 4 short parts, basically going around the chord of D minor, which is the key of this song. So the 4 parts will be like this. The first part is a arpeggio of D minor. Repeats twice. Second part is so comes the syncopation motive. Now to syncopation. Third part is like pentatonic. And fourth part ends with the same motive. These are the 4 parts, and if you want to listen to them in the bass, twice. This is the first part. So you have the sonority of the bass, second part. That's the third part. And the fourth part is not used in the bass at all. So what I done is that I used the first part in the melody and the tune itself with the third part in the bass. So together. That's the first and the third part together. In the second part, I didn't use another part, but the same part itself, within each bar, the second half of the bar will be a counterpoint to the first half of the bar. So this is the first part of the bar, 2 beats, and the second part is so together, and then it flips. So it will be so. You can follow this and then back again. In the third part of the melody, naturally, I did as a counterpoint the first part. It's called double counterpoint because when it was the first part of the melody, if you recall, the counterpoint was in the bass, the third part. This was the melody. The bass then did the third part. Together it was. Now, in the third part of the melody, so the counterpoint and bass will be the first part. It's called double counterpoint. So the melody will do, and the bass will do, all together. And in the last part, the fourth part, I used back again, the third part in the bass. So as I come back to the first part at the very end, the third part will be counterpoint twice. First of all to the fourth part and then back to the first part, which I did like stretto, like double speed. So it will be with the rhythm is similar, so it's very nice. I'll start the first part with its counterpoint, the third part stretto, like fast, and then I'll do and a Phrygian ending major, D major in the bass, like the 9th Symphony of Beethoven. So that's the secret of this arrangement. It's very compact, like it's only within itself. It doesn't use other materials, other means. So it's very beautiful. You hear the melody like kaleidoscope. You hear it from different angles at the same time. I love to do this kind of arrangements. So looking forward for the next small chat. It will be about fat burning. It's not exactly a diet, but it's the idea of how to burn our fat, our belly fat especially. Okay, so looking forward to see you again. Write in comments, subscribe, and spread on. All the best. Cheers.